Today I'll be unboxing the Disney Villains Translucent Mystery Pins from our universe. These were released in October of 2024 and are available at BoxLunch for $10.90 per box, and there's one pin in each box. So this is a 6-pin collection, and the pin designs that we can get are Maleficent, the Evil Queen, Ursula, Cruella de Vil, Jafar, and Captain Hook. So let's open these up and see what we get. So I have 8 boxes here to open up, which is 8 pins total. I am hoping to get Maleficent, the Evil Queen, and Captain Hook. Those are the 3 I want the most, but the other 3 would be great too. And I'm very curious to see what these look like out of the box. See, this looks like they're gonna have this translucent background behind them. Okay, so they seem decent size in the bag. Let's see what our first one is. And our first one is Ursula. Very cool. So we have Ursula, and so the translucent fill is in the back, and it's pretty cool. It's like got a cool shiny effect there right behind her, and then underneath her one tentacle there. Oh, and in the bottom too. That is pretty cool. And these are a silver tone finish, and they have the little recycle logo on the back. So these are official Disney pins from our universe. BoxLunch is where I got all of these. Let's see what we get for pin 2. We have from the back, it looks different. It is the Evil Queen. Nice. So the Evil Queen with the heart box there, and then that background. It's really interesting. I don't know if it's showing up super well in pictures. It almost looks like it's dipped in, but then it's filled with a clear coat, so it's completely flat surface of the pin, but it looks really cool, like it's got some depth to it. Super nice pins. All right, so I have Ursula and Evil Queen. Can we keep it going and get the rest? What we get here, pin 3. This is different from the back, and it is Captain Hook. All right, so we got Captain Hook, another one that I wanted, and he has a lot of blue in the background there. Very nice. Got his hook with his pulling on his mustache there. That is cool. All right, that'll go good with my Peter Pan pin collection. All right, pin 4. Let's see what we get. Okay, from the back, this looks familiar. Is it? It is. It is another Ursula. All right, so we have 2 Ursulas. I thought that little piece sticking off the top looked a bit familiar. Let's see what pin 5 is. Now this one has 2 things sticking off the top. Ooh, that means Maleficent? It is Maleficent! So we have Maleficent there. She has Diablo on her shoulder. She's got her staff, and then a lot of the background showing on this one. Very cool. So they all have the same type of design on the bottom. Not sure what that is, just some little squiggles and stuff, but they're all a little different color. And then you have the different translucent fill shining through those. All right, so we have 4 out of the 6 so far, so we are only missing Jafar and Cruella. But I got the 3 that I wanted, so I'm good. And this one also looks familiar. It is another Captain Hook. From the back, it's just got this big piece on the top because it's the feather on his hat. All right, so we have 2 boxes left, 2 pins to go. No more doubles if I want to complete this. Let's see what we get. I don't want to see a familiar piece. Oh, but it does look familiar. And it is another Ursula. 3 Ursulas, okay. Is Captain Hook gonna let her win, or is he gonna show up for the 3rd time too? All right. See what we get here. This one looks different. It almost has like nothing coming off the top. And this one is Cruella de Vil. Yeah, it actually, she has a lot coming off the top, but it's her head and her coat, so it's actually just a big chunk from the back anyway. She has a really cool red background there. That is super nice. So, well, I'm glad we didn't see another Captain Hook there, or another Ursula. So we got 5 out of the 6, so that's great. I like that. So I only need to find 1 pin to complete this collection. So those were the Disney Villains translucent mystery pins from our universe. Let me know down in the comments which one of these was your favorite. And this was a hard one for me because these are all super nice. I just love that translucent fill in the background there. It almost looks like it's a pin on pin, but it's not. It really separates the main character from the background. It looks really cool. To pick a favorite here, I'd probably either go Maleficent or maybe even Ursula. I love the details on her tentacles there. So she might actually get the edge here out of these 5 for my favorite anyway. So this was a great unboxing, getting 5 out of the 6. So I am only missing 1, and the one villain I'm missing is Jafar. So I just need to find that one to complete the collection. And I love the style of these. I really wish they made more villains. I wish we had like 10 of them or something. But hey, maybe they'll have a part 2 to these. Who knows? Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.